Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's on a Friday, the last day of the week, the 31st, also the last day of the month, okay? So this Friday falls on the last day of the week, last day of the month. So it's going to have crazy movement or retracement that are going to be happening today. Be very careful when you're trading, all right? So that's something that you need to keep in mind, all right? Regardless of the analysis that you're going to do today, keep it in mind that it's the last day of the month as well, okay? So retracements there may be major retracements that may be happening. All right, good. All right, let's jump onto it. Yesterday's analysis. This is the yesterday's analysis that we did. We're looking for aggressive buys above 23.29, and you can see we got them. All right, for the sales, they did not happen. Remember what I told you when I was doing this analysis? I told you there's no need to jump into this market while it's here. Wait for it to break this low. And you see, it did not break. So we were looking for safe sales below 23.22, and we didn't get that. So the market went back. Immediately, this candle closed over here. The next candle was the entry, and that's what we had said. I had explained this scenario very well. I said when this candle comes and breaks above, we can do an aggressive entry with the next candle. All right, and that was the entry. Candle entered over there, take profit 1 hit, take profit 2 hits, take profit 3, went even to take profit 4 that we had not planned for. And even the market even extended a bit higher all the way up to this point. See, it extended all the way to this point as well. All right. So the market yesterday was very bullish, went all the way. If you took this trade, you must be in profit because I was in profit all the day for this as this market moved up over there. All right. Congratulations to everybody that took the trade. That is really awesome. It was a win day again, consecutive win day. Let's look for today. Let's see what we have today. What do we have today? We have 12 p.m. the euro, 3:30. We have the the PCE, the core PCE price index. This is going to shake the market a bit. That is awesome. Also, just to mention, today we're also doing a webinar at 4 p.m. At 4 p.m., I'll be doing a webinar on I'll be doing a live trade. We're doing a live trade webinar. No, at 3 p.m. actually. 3 p.m. live trade webinar we're going to be doing. So whatever you're going to do here, we're going to review it again at 3 p.m. Just do it. So if you're interested with attending the webinar, just text me. All right. Just drop a chat over there. I'll reach out to you. If you have my number, you know how to reach out to me. Actually, my number is on the channel as well, so you can just reach out to me. I'll send you the link for you to be in person in there. All right. Great. That being said, let's remove everything. Let's do a quick one. It's on a Friday. To be honest, today I'm gonna be more chilled. I'm not really going to be jumping to the trades. Like I've told you, I have to be cautious. It's a Friday. Normally Fridays usually have retracements, a normal Friday, but this is not really a normal Friday because we have also, it's the end of the month. So to be honest, I'm going to be chilled for today. I'm going to just be chilled. All right. No, I'm not really going to be jumping into trades today. I will only jump into trades when I see a very high probability. I'm taking only 97% probability of winning trades. Today, I'm not going, I don't want to lose every of my profit that I've made this week. I don't want to do that. All right, great. Weekly support, we go to daily over here. The daily, now we have a nice daily support and daily resistance. Something that we didn't have yesterday. Now we have daily support, daily resistance. We didn't have these yesterday, but now we have. The market formed some very good. So this is the weekly support, daily support over here, and daily over there, and daily resistance over there. All right, okay. So we're on H4 right now. H4 also gives us a new where the car market is right now. So that's very important for us to mark that area. This is where the market is right now. So H4 resistance. For the support is this, they share the same supports. We go to the 1 hour. 1 hour we have over here is the 1 hour support. H1 support, H1. All right, so H4 and H1, they share the same. H4, H1 slash H1 resistance, sharing the same over here. Ah, this is amazing. This is good. This is good. Great. So now let's see 30 minutes. Let's see what we have, and then the market. Yeah. Yep. You know what? Like I said, it's a Friday. There's no need to force the trades. So what you're going to do is we're going to pick our very nice cells below this point. What's wrong with you? We're going to have cells below potential cells. Potential cells below 2340. And this will be, of course, some aggressive cells. Going to be some potential aggressive cells. Let me just correct that. Potential aggressive cells over there. Want to push them to this point, and then go down over there. All right. So we have TP1 over here, TP2. I know TP1 mostly doesn't really give you much money, but as we go, TP2 and TP3, that's the money bag. That's where the money bag is. TP1 is normally, sometimes it's usually very close to just the entry point. So short position, cells over there, down to this point. Do stop loss above that point. Let's look for buys. We're going to take buys above this H4 resistance, potential buys. Potential buys above, it's the 2349, say 2350. 2350. It's called 2350. Above 2350. We have one over here. This is the place where yesterday was rejected, so we cannot ignore that point. And then the other one is up there. So we have TP1 and we have TP2 up there. Should we have more pressures to push, we'll be looking at somewhere above. Yeah, this is very important. And also another area above that area over here. Should we have more pressures? But again, remember what I've said, it's a Friday. With all the profit that we've made this week, don't over risk, don't over trade. This is what we would call over trading. If you want to force issues, the best thing, just make sure you're not forcing issues. I know it sounds weird, but don't force the market. Don't force it. Kwanzaa being today a Friday, the last day of the month, don't force it. Okay. All right, so that is what we have. That's what we're looking at. We're looking at potential sales, aggressive sales below 2340. We go to take profit 1, 2, 3. Potential buys above 2350. Take profit 1, 2, and should we break above, we continue with the rest. Okay. So keep an eye on this. It's a Friday. Remember, we have a webinar that I've said. If you're interested with the webinar, please reach out to me. My number is it's on the channel over there. You can also chat on this chat. Just drop a text on this chat. I will be so sure to answer and send you the link to the webinar. All right, we will be doing it live, so we'll review all of these at 3 p.m. all right, during the New York session. We'll review all of this again. Right, guys? And we, of course, we'll get to learn a bit of risk management. We'll get to learn a bit of market structure. We'll get to learn about of what I do or what I'm doing right now. I'll be explaining it in details. All right. Have a good day, guys, and take care. Keep safe. Trade what you see, not what you think. Happy hunting, my people. Great.